everybody, it's John the Pool Expert, and today we are going to be removing burnt up equipment. If you've ever seen burnt equipment, this is what it looks like. We're going to be removing it and replacing all of it. Okay, so we got out all of the pool equipment, and so the next step on this is we are going to take out this concrete and replace it. And when we take out the concrete, we're going to fix the pipes that are damaged, that are so damaged that they need to be replaced under the concrete. Like these ones, you can't glue to those, they're pretty much toast. So what we'll have to do is go below the concrete and then re-stub up new pipes, put new concrete, and then we will put back brand new pool equipment.